In front of me is Microsoft Duo, and let me show you how to change language on this device. So first of all, just open the settings, then find and select System, and here click on Languages and Input. And now just pick Languages, where you will find all languages that you would like to apply. So just tap on plus to see them. Here they are. And now just pick the one that you would like to have your device in, then pick the region, and slide it up to the first place, because the first one is a default language. And as you can see, from now on it is changed and you can smoothly use your device in Dutch. Here it is. Let me go back. And if you would like to change it, just tap on more icon, remove unnecessary languages, tap on bin icon and confirm by tapping on OK. And that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.